my people, how una dey? Hope you guys are doing great. Okay, this is FlawlessLyn, aka Linda to the world, and I'm saying welcome back to my channel. Yes, in today's review, I want to tell us how I cleared my dark knuckles. Yes, I will share with you my sincere review, my journey on how I cleared my dark knuckle. How I wish I can show you my feet so that you see how flawless they look and beautiful. How I wish I can raise my legs so that you see how beautiful my feet is looking. Yes, please get this. This is Anivate cream. Go get it. I think in Nigeria is 1,000 naira. Get this. You can see I've used it. Hey, I used the hell out of this. How do I do? How do I apply it? I will use my Vaseline as an illustration, okay? I'll take it this way, like this. You apply on that this way. You can see that. Can you see this? You apply this way on that dark area, on your hands, your feet, anywhere that is dark. Use this Anivate cream to apply on that what is it called, on that dark area. And I can see on the pack it said for rough skin, for dead skin. Okay, go get this, apply it this way that I just showed us, just this way on all of this, then this way. Can you see that? Then you massage. Then after which, wear your hand glove at night. But like those that go to the office, you can apply it 3 times. You apply in the morning, in the afternoon you apply, then when you shower at night you still apply on it, then wear your hand glove so that it will help that dark area. Always walk around with this. Just put this in your bag. It's so small. It's so small. Put it inside your bag. When you go out to eat that shawarma, that pepper soup, after eating, still remove this and apply it, okay? So that it will enter your skin. Then after which, it will peel. That's the truth. That's the honest truth. It will peel. Then how do we maintain our knuckles? If you don't maintain it, it will go back the way it is. In fact, it will go back to like 3 shades darker. Okay? How do we maintain this? Get this for me. Are you seeing that? This is CAROTONE B.S.C corrector. Get this. This is 500 naira. Get this. And my Vaseline. Okay, this is my Vaseline Blue Seal. Okay? Can you see that? Get this and this. Mix them. We said this is skin corrector. It is used on that dark area, that hard area on our body. That dark spot. When you have dark spots, take this and I'll apply on it. But like I said, always know when to tell this thing bye-bye. Okay? Get this and this. Mix it. Then apply it. Let this be your maintaining cream on your knuckles so that your knuckle will come out well. I wish my camera can pick my knuckles. I wish. So that you will see how flawless they look. Okay? Let's try this mix and give me your feedback. Okay? I love you guys. Bye-bye.